pollution is become a big issue in the modern world. We youngsters need to see our future ahead. We should stand up to minimize the cause of pollution. Hi, I'm Alicia Dsouza. I'm studying in Manavika's English Medium School, Class 3, and I live in Goa. The title of my project is Smart Town. In this project, I'm going to explain you all the few green method of producing electricity. This is a dam where force of water is used to rotate the turbine of generator to produce electricity. This do not pollute the air. The waters flow on the turbine and this pump which is there now, it brings the water back to the dam. I'm going to show you how this works. See? This is a windmill. It has turbine blades which turns by the force of the air and produce electricity. Now I'll show you how it works. This is a blade. When I turn it, the light grows. This is how the electricity produced. I will show you the demo. These are solar panels. Solar panels need sunlight energy to convert electricity. In my project, in every house there are solar panels. Solar panels saves the electricity. I'll show the demo. I also have charging stations which uses this solar panel to charge the car. I'll show you the demo. Now the light has come, so the car is charging. The charging is working by the solar panels. Now you see it's dark here. So I'll take a torch and see. It becomes bright. The train here is using the electricity. Now I'll show you the demo. Everyone must have heard about electric charging cars. But the new invention is charging car wires. I'm going to explain you in my project. It's just like a smartphone which can charge wireless. This method is called electromagnetic induction. Here the car goes over this bar which charges the car while moving. The conclusion. In my town, there is no release of harmful gases such as carbon monoxide, etc. Clean city and bright future. Thank you. If you like my project, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my video. Thank you. Thank you everyone.